Ever wanted to create art with a robot? Today, we're diving into the exciting world of DIY robotics by building a fantastic drawing robot. This project is not only fun and educational but also remarkably easy to put together, making it perfect for anyone with an interest in art, robots, or even both. The beauty of this robot lies in its simplicity, yet it manages to create captivating and unpredictable, Scribble, art, offering a unique blend of technology and creativity. Let's get started by gathering all the necessary materials. You'll need a few essential items: a small plastic cup, which will serve as the robot's body, several markers, preferably different colors to add visual interest to your artwork, some strong tape to hold everything together, a small DC motor, the heart of the robot, responsible for its movement, an offset weight, like a small screw or nut, crucial for creating the vibration that drives the drawing process, and finally, a battery to power the motor and bring your robot to life. Make sure that the markers you choose have tips that will reliably touch the surface of the paper when the robot is in action, and that the offset weight is securely attached to the motor's shaft to ensure it functions as intended. Now, let's begin the construction. Take your plastic cup and arrange the markers around its outer edge. The goal is to position them so that the tips of each marker are all making contact with the bottom surface of the cup. Once you're satisfied with the positioning, use the tape to firmly secure the markers to the cup. It's important to make sure the markers are held securely in place, as this is the foundation of your drawing mechanism. Next, carefully attach the DC motor to the top of the plastic cup. You can use tape or a small amount of glue to ensure that the motor is firmly secured. The precise placement isn't critical, but ensure the motor doesn't interfere with the markers. Remember to attach the offset weight securely to the motor's shaft. This small, yet significant, component is the key to the robot's movement. When the motor spins, the offset weight creates an imbalance, causing the robot to vibrate and move in a random, yet artistic, fashion. Once the motor and weight are in place, it's time to connect the motor to the battery. You may need to use some wires and additional tape to ensure a reliable and stable electrical connection. Once you've made the connection and the battery is turned on, the motor will begin to spin, and the offset weight will instantly start, generating the vibrations that drive the robot's movement. As the motor spins, the offset weight's imbalance will translate into chaotic, unpredictable motion, allowing the markers to create their unique scribble art. Now comes the fun part. Place your newly constructed robot onto a piece of paper. Turn it on, and watch as it comes to life. The robot will move and scribble across the paper, creating a unique piece of artwork with every run. You'll find that each creation is a unique representation of the robot's chaotic dance. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try using different types of markers, varying the weight of the offset, and adjusting the speed of the motor to alter the artwork produced. You can also experiment with the number of markers you use, or the color combinations to change the final result. The possibilities for creative expression are truly endless. This simple drawing robot is not only a fantastic way to learn about the fascinating intersection of robotics and art, but also a great project to undertake, whether you're working alone or with friends. It also makes for an engaging and educational science fair project, if you're looking for one. So, gather your supplies, follow these simple steps, and get ready to start building your very own drawing robot today, and prepare to be amazed by the art it creates.